What's up, you guys? So tonight I'm gonna wet sand and buff my Honda Civic, trying to get little imperfections out of the paint. Genuinely, it really doesn't look too bad. Don't pay attention to the little bits of dirt in the hood. Smoothing everything down, taking it from being wrecked to this point now, having everything smooth and the bodywork up under. Everything looks really nice. To go from wet sand to buff, that's post. It'll actually look really good. The trunk lid we already visited and going to revisit again. Got majority of the scratches out, but they seem to collect right at the ends here and over here as well, which is no big deal. The middle's okay, and we'll just revisit the whole panel. But back to the front, I'm really excited to hop back onto the hood and then actually buff it and see what she starts to look like. And just to put everything into perspective, we're not working with anything crazy here. We're just using some good old 2K, good old 15, match that up with the finest rubbing compound you can find, and then it should actually make a really good end result. I don't like to start out with too much of this stuff right away. I like to put on a little bit and see what I'm actually doing, and then go from there. Only got a couple passes in and she's already looking so much better. Like all the cloudiness went away. Genuinely the only thing to bitch about are probably the buff lines, but those will come out the next pass over, so we'll see what it looks like without any scratches on it. I think this is super interesting, but you can see exactly where I stopped halfway through the hood. You can see where I'm on my finishing side. You can see where I'm on my buffing side. Split right down the middle. That's nuts. The front turned out so much better than I expected. Cleaned up the front so well. And I think that all the little swirl marks that you could see left, well, there isn't any, so it looks perfectly fine. Damn, that looks so good. All right, I'm really hyped to hop on the back. Both the trunk and the hood came out so much better than I expected, and it absolutely woke up the paint on my little Honda Civic, keeping in mind that this thing was painted less than even 2 weeks ago. But regardless, it's just a good idea to get scratches out of your paint, get the dirt out, you know, be on top of your paint, to take care of it, take care of your guys' cars. It's absolutely worth it, I promise you. The end result of this stuff will literally have you thinking every single time, why isn't this something you've done sooner? Scratches and little like imperfections in your paint are not crazy things to take care of, and it doesn't take a crazy set a lot of the amount of time. It's just something that is really necessary to keep up on your paint and make it look like it's brand new again. Well, that's it from me, you guys. I'm really happy that I got the scratches up and out of the hood, but I'm even more excited to drive her home. So I'll see you guys in the next one.